makita yung di balay di tuktok jay ata di Hatfield and McCoy Moonshine Distillery. May isang kasisikatan nga giniramit ti arak dito Amerika since kopong-kopong. Ayun. Look at this. There's a lot of pin, right? So look at the Philippines. There's no pin. I wanna put a pin.
You want to put a pin on the Philippines?
Can we ask a pin? And I will put the Philippines over here. Is that okay?
Oh yeah. No, grab it. There you go. There you go. You got a pin. Where you're from? Where are you from?
Isabella.
Over there, babe, right by the
Over there.
Yeah.
Ay.
Come on.
Mali.
What are you?
Can you do that to me, love? And I will take a video. Over there.
I think I will get another one.
Can you do that, love, for me? Oh, do it for me.
Ready?
There you go. It's hard, right? Make it
Babe, if I do it anymore, it'll
gonna be
okay?
Is the stuff that they use as the flavor for the alcohol.
Oh, yeah.
And then they run it in the still, which is
That one? That big?
that one right there. Yeah.
Wow.
This is the stuff for the double barrel.
Oh, that's huge.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And then there's another mash.
Oh.
Yeah. That's the mash, and then they run it in that, and it makes the double barrel.
Over there in the counter.
And that's the windows or the percolators.
That's cool.
Is what you bought.
Over there. What is this? Don, the one you smell lately. What is that?
It's the infinity barrel.
No, those.
That's an infinity barrel.
Those are still.
The steel.
Right here.
No, the steel.
Are you talking about the barrel?
The metal things.
The bear.
The barrel is the infinity barrel. And this is a list of everything that's in that barrel.
Oh shit.
Once it's full, they'll start drinking it all.
Oh shit. That's a lot.
And that's some of the bottles that's in the infinity barrel.
That's cool.
A long jar back there.
Hey,
Huh?
goes both ways, bro. Both ways.
I think Bumpy is
See you, girl.
somewhere.
Yeah, bump.
Thanks for the remembrance.
I'm gonna go pee real quick. But yeah.
I got 4:30 in the morning. Everybody else sleeps. So I still got that.
Yes, sir,
Irish.
but my page is my followers want you to say Ohio Kinayo. Okay?
Ohio Kinayo.
Yeah. Say Ohio Kinayo.
Ohio Kinayo from Hatfield McCoy Moonshine. Salute.
Thank you, sir. Again. We already have. Yes, that is the fire.
Can't we force too big? Never.
Yes.
No way. No. Go ahead. Go for it. Let's get it. What happened?
That's strong.
Did you get her on video?
Yeah, she was like,
I'll tell you, I'm not going to here as long as I get Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
But every time he comes, he brings me bottles. It's $400 and $500.
That's what I was telling her, or telling Ryan, he just bought one for the Infinity Barrel.
Well, he brought me bottles. The key.
so you like bourbon?
Yeah, I love bourbon. But he won't let me pay him for it. He's asked about that all the time. Super good guy. Good guy, like you are.
Made in the hills of Gilbert, West Virginia. Hey, what the hell is the bullshit with the imitators?
They're all time out there, brother.
Was it the dipshit up in Logan again?
Well, there's several of them, but they're one. I mean, there's always more than that. But yeah. You ready?
Yep.
So we're gonna get it straight out the barrel.
Oh, go ahead,
You can film that, Irish, if you want. Right here, bro.
I can't read
You can sit on that chair or whatever.
I mean, on those shows, stop in the middle of it, go Dave,
It's okay.
drink some of this? Irish, you want one?
No, it's okay.
But I can't remember how to say it, but tell me what it is again. Are you live or we're going to do a video?
This is a video.
Okay. What is
Why
it?
don't you go live?
Ohio Canayo. Ohio Canayo.
You don't just go live and gain all your viewers.
So look here, guys. And you can edit this. But we're up here at the distillery. Elton's been a good friend of mine for 20 plus years probably. Long as I've had this place open, which I opened in 2011. But he's probably hauled more moonshine and whiskey and bourbon out of here than a freight truck.
Allegedly.
Allegedly. But, you know, that's to be determined. But anyway, Ohio Canayo is the salute of the night. These people just actually got the best bourbon on the set, which is called the Master's Cup. 12 years. And not everybody will ever be able to get one of them, especially one of these. So salute to Irish, her husband, and Elton, his wife, his boy, which is killing it. Hopefully they stay true. But salute.
Salute. Yeah. Thank you.
You get that shit, I'll send it to you. Whatever, mate.
I'll graduate the academy and the vehicle.
Real quick.
I don't know when I'm coming back.
But it's always good to see you when you do come.
I know.
Pleasure, brother. Good seeing you. Irish, it's good seeing you. Pleasure meeting you.
Thank you,
It's been a
sir.
pleasure. Everything's in one box. So Chuck's, yours,